Hello and welcome once again to our MOOC, Personalized Learning in Virtual Learning Environments, Leveraging Technology for Sustainable Student Engagement and SDG 4 Advancement. We are now in week 3, and this week we will focus on gamification, artificial intelligence, and learning analytics. In the first two modules, we discussed the foundations of personalized learning and then explored how to design learning paths tailored to learner needs. Building on that, in this module, we will see how technology-enhanced strategies, specifically gamification, AI, and analytics, can foster engagement, personalization, and sustainability in virtual learning environments. The learning outcome of this week is to evaluate and apply technology-enhanced strategies that foster engagement and support sustainability. In this session, we will understand how gamification enhances motivation, how AI supports customization and real-time feedback, and how learning analytics helps track progress, predict outcomes, and improve teaching and learning. Let us begin with gamification. Gamification refers to the application of game elements and principles in non-game contexts, such as education, to enhance learner motivation, engagement, and participation. Think of progress bars, achievement badges, leaderboards, and storytelling challenges. These are not just decorative features. They provide learners with a sense of progress and recognition. For instance, a badge for completing a quiz not only shows achievement but also boosts confidence and encourages further participation. Common game elements in education. Some common elements of gamification in education include points, badges, leaderboards, levels, and storytelling. Points are awarded for completing tasks or quizzes. Badges recognize skill mastery. Leaderboards encourage healthy competition. Levels mark progression and unlock new content, while storytelling creates narrative-based tasks that immerse learners in meaningful journeys. Each of these features plays a role in making learning interactive and immersive. Out of these elements, which one do you think would work best for your learners? Points, badges, leaderboards, or storytelling? Share your views in the comments section. So why should we use gamification? Research evidence shows that gamified learning environments can increase motivation and completion rates by 20-30%. But more importantly, gamification is a pedagogical strategy. It promotes persistence through challenges, increases focus, and encourages experiential learning. It transforms learning from a passive activity into an active and engaging journey. Key benefits of gamification. Gamification brings multiple benefits. It increases learner motivation through rewards, boosts engagement with interactive elements, allows personalized progression by adapting to learner performance, provides real-time feedback through scores and achievements, and develops problem-solving skills through puzzles and challenges. Together, these benefits make gamification a powerful driver of engagement and sustained learning. Which one benefit of gamification do you think is most relevant in your own teaching learning context? Share your views in the comments section. Moving forward, let us explore artificial intelligence in education. AI refers to the use of machine learning algorithms, data analytics, and intelligent systems to enhance teaching and learning. Examples include Newton, Squirrel AI, Gradescope, and Duolingo AI. These platforms use AI to recommend content, assess learners, and provide intelligent feedback, making education more adaptive and efficient. Core capabilities of AI in education. AI in education has 5 core capabilities. First, it supports personalized learning by adapting pace and content to individual learners. Second, it provides automated feedback and assessment, saving time for teachers. Third, it uses predictive analytics to anticipate learner needs or dropout risks. Fourth, it enables natural language processing, such as chatbots and voice recognition. And fifth, AI can even support content creation and recommendation and also generate quizzes or suggest new learning resources. Key benefits of AI in education. The benefits of AI in education are immense. It allows personalized learning at scale, supports accessibility for learners with disabilities, provides efficient feedback and assessment, and enhances learning analytics by revealing patterns in student behavior. This enables educators to make data-driven decisions that improve outcomes and equity in learning. However, AI also comes with challenges. Data privacy and ethics are a major concern, as student data must be handled responsibly. Teacher preparedness is another issue, since educators need proper training to integrate AI meaningfully. There are also equity and access concerns, as not all institutions or learners have equal digital infrastructure. Finally, bias in algorithms may reinforce inequalities if models are poorly designed. These challenges remind us that AI must be integrated thoughtfully and ethically. Now let us look at learning analytics. Learning analytics is defined as the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of data about learners and their contexts for the purpose of understanding and optimizing learning. It helps with improved decision-making, early intervention for at-risk students, personalized support, and continuous improvement of teaching. Learning analytics uses data from LMS logs, assignments, and forums, applies techniques like predictive analysis, and presents outputs in dashboards, alerts, and reports. The loop of learning analytics. The process of learning analytics works in a loop. Data is collected, analyzed, and reported, feedback is provided to learners and educators, and actions are taken to improve outcomes. This loop ensures that learning is not static but continuously evolving, based on evidence from real-time student data. Integrating gamification, AI, and learning analytics. When we integrate gamification, AI, and learning analytics, we create a holistic learning ecosystem. Gamification boosts motivation, AI personalizes learning, and analytics ensures that learning is evidence-based and continuously improved. These tools enable a sustainable, engaging, and learner-centered environment, one that truly advances SDG 4, quality education. To conclude, remember the key ideas. Gamification boosts engagement, AI personalizes learning, and analytics drives improvement. When integrated, these strategies transform virtual classrooms into interactive, adaptive, and data-driven ecosystems. As I always like to remind, gamification isn't about playing games, it's about unlocking the play in learning. With these tools, we can design experiences that are not only innovative but also inclusive and sustainable. Which of the three, gamification, AI, or analytics, do you think will make the most immediate impact in your own classroom or learning journey? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for joining me in this session. I look forward to your reflections and discussions on how you see these technologies impacting your own teaching and learning contexts. You may reach me at bushra.workmail@gmail.com for any queries.